Okay, now you can see the bread has doubled, boom, 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 in size. So we want to kind of flip it in on itself, and then we're going to let it rest for a whole another hour. So just going to pull it from the sides and just get it to do what I need it to do. Pull it all the way in. Ooh, it smells so delicious. So you just want to pull it, tuck it in, get it all off the sides there, and just keep rolling. Just pull it all. What I'm doing is pulling it away from the edges of the bowl, and then just pulling it over like this on top of each other, top of itself. And I should have put a little flour on my hands, but okay, here. I'm just gonna take it all out. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Woo. Okay. Gonna roll it in on top of itself. Pull all these little edges together. Just gonna tuck it nice and neat. You see how it's all tucked in this way? And then we're just going to drop it. Gonna set it back in the bowl and let it rise for another hour or so. Then we'll get into making it look more like bagel shapes. Okay, got it covered.